Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aries. So, these are for your general energies. We'll be picking one card for your relationship and one card for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Aries, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards here. We have Ace of Earth, Empress, and Page of Fire. So, with these cards, guys, in your circumstances, you are feeling really confident, cheerful about the way things are going, guys. And whatever you have done, all that hard work and efforts is reaching the time of rewards, guys. You are seeing the prosperous returns today, and in your work you are seeing success and prosperity. Things are going in a positive way for you, guys, Aries, in your work situation, or it may be the energy in this relationship. And you are someone really adventurous, enthusiastic about some opportunities that has come to you. Maybe in your work you have chosen something new for yourself, chosen a new path of work, and that is working in a positive way, and you are seeing your ideas and dreams manifesting, giving you positive returns, and you are happy for it, guys. And for some of you, you may see fresh opportunities coming in your work, guys, and you are cheerful and confident about the way things are going. And this is the time for new ideas, and using your skills and talents, you are able to unleash a greater potential in your work and in your personal life also, guys. You are radiating cheerfulness and confidence, and you are having a good time. Maybe whatever comes up, you are embracing that change with open arms. So maybe in your work, changes that are happening in your circumstances, or in your personal life, whatever new changes or ideas this person may tell you, you are working with that community spirit, working together with this person you love, co-creating things for yourself and this person in this relationship, guys. So things are going in a really positive way, and this is the time for you to enjoy the fruits of your efforts and hard work. So in this relationship, maybe for some of you, you have been with this person for a long time, quite a long time now, and you both have a beautiful understanding. Mutual love, respect, and caring is there in this relationship. And maybe before that, we will open this card, Eight of Fire. So maybe for some of you, you are thinking of commitment, guys, a deeper commitment, and things are changing. Things are gaining momentum in this relationship, and you are simply happy to be with this person. And just like you, even they are happy about this connection, happy to be with you, and just like you, they are thinking of marriage, guys. So they want commitment, or they want engagement or marriage with you, and even they are planning for it, Aries. So a very positive set of cards here, guys, for you all today, Aries. So for your career situation, we have Four of Fire. So again, things are going in a very positive way in your work situation. Everything is coming together, guys, in your relationship and in your work. Positive things, positive transformation is what I see for y'all, Aries. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for you all. For those who chose this first card, it is Apache Tears. It's a Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation, maybe you have too much sadness in your heart. You are thinking of your past person, your past love. So whatever happened, whatever the circumstances were, and it is simply weighing you down. So today you need to heal from that, guys. Heal from that negative situation. So rejection, sadness is a form of a divine blessing, guys. So one day you will be able to see this circumstance with a different set of eyes. So you will have a more clearer vision, the reason why things went in such a way, and what was the benefit or what you achieved with that sadness and rejection you are feeling today. So in your future, you will be able to see what unexpected gifts these stressful, sad times have given you, guys. You will realize that very soon. But with this card, this Crystal Spirit card asks you to keep your heart open, so that you live more fully, more lovingly, and more meaningfully from now onwards, guys. So whatever has happened has happened. So there is no way of changing it, but you can change your present and your future. So goodness is coming your way, happiness is coming your way, and your beautiful destiny is waiting to unfold. All you need to do is clear that negativity you have in yourself, release the past, wash away the old with the tears. Maybe you feel like crying, you just cry it out and release all that sadness and stress you feel. So you no longer need to hold on to these old emotions. That is not going to help you in any way, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says beyond the threshold of fear. So in your circumstances, guys, you have some kind of a self-imposed barrier of fear, something holding you back from moving forward. So you are in that mindset, you want to take that big leap forward. You no longer want to be controlled by this fear. You no longer want to hold yourself back for this fear, and you no longer want to be the victim. You want to move forward in your life. Maybe in this relationship you have some fears, that is the reason holding you back, holding you from making that big step. But you are moving towards that big step, guys. You need not worry, because you are moving forward towards that, and you are going to feel so happy, free, just like flying. And you are going to feel that freedom, and you can trust in the vision you have, and fear is not going to hinder your vision, and it's not going to obstruct the way you see the truth. So you must give up this fear you have in your circumstance towards something. So that is what is pulling you back, weighing you down, holding you to a particular situation, and you feel that you are bound, and you are no longer you have that energy to move out. But today you have that confidence and courage in your heart to dispel all this fear and move forward in life, guys. So that is what I see. So you are going to be absolutely free, and you are going to have a clear vision what needs to be done in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in this relationship, and there is no more darkness for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.